Long Night of the Sciences. The Long Night of the Sciences, German, Lange Nacht der Wissenschaften, has become an established form of public relations activity in Germany. On one night of the year, large scientific institutions hold lectures and demonstrations for the general public in order to present themselves and a general overview of their research topics. The events cover all aspects of science, from natural sciences to social sciences. The public can usually visit the institutions between around 5 p.m. and 1 m. on the long night of the sciences in exchange for a fee. Origin. The format of the event is inspired by the successful Long Night of Museums in Berlin. The event first took place as part of the Science Summer 2000 German Wissenschaftssommer 2000 event in Bonn. Berlin organized a similar event the following year and gained a larger response, with a total of 61,972 visitors. Distribution. Besides Berlin, this event format has also been successfully implemented in other scientific locations, including Hamburg since 2005, Halle since 2001, Dresden since 2002, Rostock, Aachen since 2003, Nuremberg/Fürth/Erlangen since 2003, Tübingen, Jena since 2005, Stuttgart, 2006, Erfurt, Duisburg, Essen since 2007, Freiburg since 2007, Heidelberg, Mannheim, Ludwigshafen since 2007 and 7, Garching since 2007, Leipzig since 2008, Magdeburg, Frankfurt, Hanover since 2011, Ilmenau since 2007, Berlin and Potsdam. The program for the 9th Long Night of the Sciences in Berlin and Potsdam on 13 June 2009 featured more than 2,000 individual events held by 67 participants in 160 buildings. 15 special bus routes were provided for the night. There were around 238,750 visitors in total. Nuremberg, Fürth, Erlangen. The Long Night of the Sciences in the region of Nuremberg, Fürth and Erlangen is held every 2 years and offers events in the fields of natural sciences, technology, medicine, and health, as well as social, cultural, and economic sciences. The event, which started in 2003, will open its doors for the 9th time on Saturday, 19 October 2019. The goal is to build a bridge between research and public. The program contains a wide range of exhibitions, experiments, and presentations hosted by more than 300 institutions, including the 6 regional universities, as well as innovative companies and local establishments. In the afternoon, there is also a special program for children. During the night, the participating institutions will be connected by a special bus service driving 10 different routes. In 2013, there had been registered more than 30.0 participants on 130 locations. Most of the visitors were younger than 30 years.